T-shirt pollutes around 2700 liters of water. A big part of that pollution comes from dyeing, which is the coloring of these fabrics. Most of our clothes, if not all, are dyed using synthetic chemical dyes, which are made up of inorganic compounds that contaminate our water. What's even more shocking is that on an average, any synthetic chemical dye holds between 8,000 to 15,000 different inorganic compounds. These compounds not only pollute our water, but also our skin. There's also an indirect source of pollution as water gets additionally polluted in preparation of raw material used in these dyes. And if all that wasn't enough, there's something making this crisis even worse. Fast fashion. Fast fashion is a recent trend in clothing that is characterized by rapid production and rotation of trendy clothing produced at bulk. This bulk makes our clothes cheaper, but the true cost of this cheap, trendy clothing is much higher. If you think this pandemic is bad, something that will probably last a year or two, think about the long-term severe environmental impact on our water systems, which will last generations.
The treatment of wastewater polluted containing dyes represent a large problem for industry because these dyes are non-biodegradable. Most of the dyes have a stable aromatic molecular structure, large molecular size, and difficult to be degraded by biological process. The dyes can damage the environment because as colored material can prevent the penetration of dye into the water. Photocatalyst degradation process is more effective for elimination of organic dyes from wastewater than traditional physiochemical techniques such as nanofiltration and absorption, which could not degrade dyes completely. Graphite carbonyl titanium dioxide hybrid is non-toxic, stable, and strong reducibility. Heterotension form inhibit the fast recombination of electron and hole of graphite carbonyl, high optical wavelength, and optimal band gap. We're going for photocatalyst mechanism. This is the structure of the hybrid. VB represents for kinetic band, BB is valence band. During the light radiation, the light will hit the conductive band of graphite carbonyl, because the electron to excited and migrate into conductive band of titanium dioxide. and it will recombine to the host or valence band of graphite carbon nitride. The oxygen will convert into superoxide radical anion, and if we take two paths first, it will degrade the pollutant such as the methylene blue and form a degraded pollutant which are carbon dioxide and water, or it can form hydroxy group from water. The valence band of TiO2 will migrate their host into valence band of graphite monoxide and form a hydroxy group which degrade their product completely. So this is the further mechanism for phenol and caffeine. Both superoxide radical anion and hydroxy group will degrade caffeine phenol and form carbon dioxide, water, and ammonia for caffeine, and carbon dioxide and water for phenol. In conclusion, the heterosexual of graphite carbon titanium dioxide hybrid could benefit the environment, especially wastewater treatment, be it super multipurpose application, photo degradation.